Hi guys, I'm Aman and welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to build an RC night robot. So let's begin. So you'll need these components for our build today. So you'll need two of these double shaft motors and an RC and a 3.7 volt battery. Now this RC normally comes with this cell pocket over here, but I actually removed it and attached this 3.7 volt battery connector over here. So this is the remote control of the robot. Okay, so you'll need this board over here, and we'll just glue these motors here. This is our glue gun. Just apply a little drop. You can see a big drop over here, and then we'll just put the motor on. I will just put the motor, yeah, just like that. Now do the same with the other side. Now I'll just wire these motors and just glue them back onto the board. Now I'll just attach the motor on to this board just like that. Phew. Okay, we'll just connect the battery to the RC and now test how the motors work until now. Okay, just yep. Now the other one. Yep, both of them are working. Okay, now you'll need this motor over here because this will be the sword of the robot. Or now this will be the structure to support this motor over here. Now we'll just attach the motor, put some glue onto the motor, and then attach it to the wooden piece over here. Okay, now we'll just so now we'll just take a sword and attach it to the robot. That's the sword, and we're gonna attach it to this pulley over here. So let's do that now. So now we'll just glue this sword to the pulley. Yep. Yep, just like that. Yes. Okay. Go away, Tom. Go away. Okay, so our robot is done. Just go away. Okay, so our robot is ready. Tommy. Hey Tom, why don't you So guys, here's our robot after I decorated it a little bit. So I attached this 9-volt battery on the right side motor to support support its weight, and because the other motor which triggers the sword is on the left side, so it was giving it more weight than the right one, and the right one wasn't functioning as well, so I decided that I should attach that over here. So guys, here's the robot, and here's Sir Tom the Great. Doesn't look like it, but believe me, he's a knight. Okay, you can go. Now let's test how it works now. It can turn. Yep, that's good. Now let's test it if it can go forward. Yep, it can do that. Now the other way. Yep, that's what I wanted to see. It can trigger the sword. Yep, that's the best thing I have ever made, I guess. And believe me, I haven't made any of my inventions good, you know. You probably know until now. Now I'm just gonna now guys, I'm just gonna make the sword go to its original position. So let's do it now. Yep, I have done it. Look at that. Now I'm just gonna attack the table. Yep. Yeah. Did you saw that? Okay. Now, yeah, I think it's good. It bumped into the wall. Really a dumb robot. A dumb knight, in fact. Yep. Okay. Now I'm just gonna attack that battery over there. So let's do it now. Tommy's sitting over there, really sad, and because I'm not letting him play with the knight. So let's just attack it. It bumped into the wall again. Yeah. That's really a dumb robot. Now let's attack that battery over there. Yeah. We just killed him. Yeah. That's it. What I wanted. Yes. You have succeeded to kill that battery over there. Yes, just don't celebrate it too much. Yep. It's done.